So if you're in the new market for a new beach chair, let's talk about this Pretzi beach chair. This is gonna be my second summer with it. My husband and I go to the beach all the time, so this holds up really well and has everything you need in a beach chair. So let's take a look. First off, it's a backpack. I love having a backpack chair because it just makes it so easy to transport to the beach. Obviously, adjustable straps here, so you can do as you need with it. And it's really light, so you can carry your beach bag, whatever else it may be. I love the color that it comes with. And then on the back here, we have a little cooler. I still have the tags on, even though I've had it for over a year. So then inside, nice little cooler compartment. And there's actually one on the top. And then, sorry, this is the cooler part. There's a cooler here, and this is just for storage, which is so great to have. So sometimes your beach bag doesn't hold enough. So you have both of those there. It comes with this cute little pillow as well. And then on the side here, you have this little pouch where you can put and hold your drink and your cell phone. So let's take a look when it opens up. So really great, perfect sitting length. The best part, there's no bar here on the bottom. So if you're somebody that gets annoyed with the bottom bar underneath your legs, and then it reclines up, and then it can go all the way back. And you can lay as far down as you want with that. So if you're on the market for a new beach chair, definitely recommend this Pretzi one. It has everything you need, and the best part is the no bar at the bottom, because that really bothers my husband, and I didn't even realize it until I got it without it, and that's been life-changing. Again, there's a little pillow too, extra comfort, and I just use it here in my yard all the time. Take in the sun, perfect height. If you like to be lower to the ground, this is it. Definitely go check it out.